friends! Today we are taking a close look at a firearm from Lobaev Arms, a manufacturer best known for its record-setting ultra-long-range bolt-action rifles. The company made an unexpected but absolutely logical move. They took their expertise in high-precision systems and applied it to a semi-automatic rifle for those who fight on the front lines. The result is the ZOV, a semi-automatic carbine from Lobaev. To understand what features a modern semi-automatic rifle needs, you first have to understand its role. The ZOV is positioned as a designated marksman rifle. The marksman's role is to deliver precise fire on priority targets, provide supporting fire to squad at medium and long ranges, and operate in a unit's order of battle. Today's marksman needs a weapon system that meets the demands of modern combat, as a marksman operates at high tempo, engaging distributed targets under return fire and delivering precise shots at high rate of fire. Unlike a sniper, a marksman needs a balance of accuracy and high rate of fire. That's exactly the niche the ZOV is built for. A semi-automatic rifle chambered in 308 Winchester or 7.62x51, a full-power rifle cartridge. Let's address the obvious question. Why the AR-10 platform? In this caliber, reinventing the wheel doesn't make sense. The AR-10 architecture is an operationally proven engineering base with decades of real-world use. More importantly, it offers key advantages critical for modern DMR: modularity, ergonomics, and inherent accuracy. The ZOV features an inline recoil system. The barrel, bolt carrier group, and stock are all aligned on a single axis. You stay on target, controlling each shot. This is critical when firing in series, and especially relevant for today's pivotal tasks, countering small-size UAVs. A drone is a small, agile target that demands high precision and quick reaction. With the ZOV, it is easier to keep the target in sight after each shot without losing it. A free-floating barrel combined with a reinforced upper receiver made of high-strength aluminum ensures structural rigidity and high accuracy. The ZOV features 1 MOA. In fact, with quality ammo and a skilled operator, the rifle is capable of 0.5 MOA, outstanding for a semi-auto in this class. It features a multi-position adjustable gas block, including a fully closed setting that lets the rifle function like a bolt action for maximum precision when needed. The design brings a number of advantages. Gases and carbon fouling stay out of the receiver, which improves reliability under sustained fire, ensures consistent cycling, and keeps the action running clean. The system also produces soft recoil, critical for staying on target and maintaining control during intensive fire. The ZOV has proven itself in real operational environment. Maintenance is simple, and that's something you can't overstate in the field. Pull out 2 pins, separate the lower receiver, remove the bolt carrier group. Basic field strip is fast and intuitive. The rifle is also ammo tolerant, digesting a wide variety of cartridges, though maximum precision comes with a high-quality ammunition. A few words about ammo. You can order hand-loaded cartridges tailored to your specific firearm, available on order. Depending on configuration, the empty rifle weighs about 3.7 kg, a rather low weight for a 308 Winchester semi-auto platform. In its baseline configuration, the ZOV is capable of engaging targets out to 1,000 meters, a solid effective range for a semi-automatic rifle. Let's talk in more details about the configuration of the ZOV. Users widely appreciate this platform for its ergonomics. Here we see ambidextrous controls, safety, here is magazine release and bolt catch buttons, telescopic unfolding buttstock, a Picatinny rail on the receiver cover. You can optionally mount rails on the handguard, M-lock slots for flashlights, biports, mission-specific gear. Lobaev Arms took the globally renowned architecture for the classic rifle cartridge and made it their own. The ZOV brings together a high-precision barrel, Russian manufacturing, and a distinct engineering approach. It is the Russian interpretation of a high-precision semi-auto firearm, optimized for the modern war, our harsh climate, and our battle experience. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe. The most interesting part is yet to come.